Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to unmute notes on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app. Here, right after opening our Instagram app, will be welcomed in the home page. Here in the home page, you will be able to see a message icon on the top right corner right beside the like icon. Tap on the message icon. After tapping on the message icon on the top here, you'll be able to see your notes. First of all, I'm going to mute a note and then show you all how to unmute it. Here, after tapping for the note for about 5 seconds, as you can see, I will get about 3 options that are mute notes, report and view profile. After tapping on mute notes, as you can see, the notes has been muted. Now there are 2 things that you can do in this case. Now if you want to unmute a specific person, then you can go to their profile and unmute them. However, if you want to see all the people that you have muted, you might want to go back. After going back on the home page, here on the bottom you'll be able to see your profile icon, which you'll have to tap on. After tapping on your profile icon, here you'll have to tap on the hamburger option that is right beside the plus icon. After tapping on the hamburger option, you'll be able to see settings, your activity and so on. Here you'll have to tap on settings. Here after tapping on settings, you'll be able to see account centers and Instagram settings. In the category Instagram settings, here you'll have to tap on privacy. After tapping on privacy, here you'll be able to see various options such as private account limits, hidden words, comments and so on. Here you'll have to scroll down and on the category connections, you'll be able to see restricted accounts, blocked accounts, muted accounts. Here you'll have to tap on the option muted accounts. After that, as you can see, all the people that you have muted on your Instagram will be listed here. You can simply tap on their profile. After that, you'll be welcomed in their profile page. Here you'll be able to see 2 options, following and messages. You'll have to tap on the option following. And here you'll be able to see add to close friends list, add to favorites, and right below that you'll be able to see option mute. Tap on mute. After that, you'll be able to see 3 options that are post, stories and notes. Here, as you can see, the notes are muted, so we're simply going to tap on it. And just like that, the notes has been unmuted. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to unmute notes on Instagram. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.